This week we're going to focus most of our attention on South America, specifically looking at the short-term harvest prospects in Brazil. Then we're going to turn our attention to Argentina, where their soybeans are setting pods and filling pods as we speak. We're going to wrap things up with a long-term review of November soybean futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We've moved into the latter half of February here, and the market's focus remains squarely on South America. We're going to start out this week focusing on Brazil. Let's look at where those soybeans are produced in Brazil. Now we're looking here at a number of key states, of course. We've highlighted Mato Grosso in the north. That's the #1 state, accounting for about 26% of the production, all the way down to the south in Rio Grande do Sul. Now they're harvesting beans in Mato Grosso, but in Rio Grande do Sul, those beans are still setting pods and filling pods. A reminder here that the USDA is forecasting a 10% increase in Brazilian production for 24-25. Let's take a look at the progress now in Brazil. This is harvest progress. We're looking nationwide at about 25% of the crop has been harvested. Looking at that key state of Mato Grosso, approaching 50% of the crop has been harvested. That's important because those are some of the first beans that will work into the world export pipeline and replace U.S. beans to the world importers. With that brief backdrop, let's take a look at the short-term weather trends in Brazil. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-storm weather. We're starting out here looking at some drier pattern in Brazil over the next 10 days or so. All across that gray area is going to be dry in Brazil. So this is very important in terms of harvest progress. It should be a very quick harvest over the near term. Let's now take a look at the total precip over the next 14 days. Really no extreme conditions there in the north. Maybe a few areas there a bit drier than normal, as a matter of fact. But regardless, it looks like the harvest is going to proceed very quickly. Let's turn our attention now to Argentina. Let's take a look at what those soybeans are produced in Argentina. Now in Argentina here, we're looking at several key provinces here. The main provinces are in the south there, Buenos Aires, Cordoba, and Santa Fe. A little over 80%, about 80% of those beans in the country of Argentina are produced in those three provinces. Now let's take a look at the weather trends in Argentina. Keeping in mind that in Argentina, beans are still setting pods and filling pods. We're taking a look at a heat wave developing in Argentina here the next 5 to 7 days, starting Wednesday through Friday of this week. All across that red area is going to be 90 to the hundreds in that area. So this is going to be critical to watch. Now, looking at the rainfall totals, however, it looks like there's going to be some rain associated with that heat, starting in Buenos Aires most recently. Now, totals over the next 2 weeks, or beg your pardon, from February 22nd to the 27th, 1.5 to 3.5 inches. So kind of a mixed bag there, some heat, but also some pretty good rain. And looking at total rainfall the next 14 days, 76% of the beans in Argentina are going to get near normal to above normal rainfall. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in November soybean futures. Now, November beans, as we tape here on Wednesday, are trading near $10.60 a bushel. Now, we're in that middle part of the crop insurance period here. We strongly encourage you to continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage expected 2025 production, as well as any remaining 2024 bushels. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.